How to edit your avatar or change it. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit or change your avatar on Reddit. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit app, and after that you click on the avatar in the top corner, and now you click on settings here down below, and after that click on style avatar. And now you will have a lot of options that you can change your avatar. You can change the clothes or the hair, the eyes, anything you want in your avatar, as you can see. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.